Well, howdy folks. This is a 1960 Aztec 500 by Erika. And those of you who follow my channel have seen this machine before, because my recent video on dunk cleaning had a mystery machine, right? And that was this thing, because I had it all stripped down with the body off of it and the platen out, and had just finished cleaning it. Full chemical clean, not dunking, but still a full chemical clean that showed exactly how clean you can get a typewriter without having to completely submerge it. And, you know, how clean can you get it? Well, pretty darn clean, because there is hardly room to find fault at all with this machine. 'Cause that's about as clean as it gets. You know, to get a more up close and personal look, you can take a gander at the other video I have showing it. But it's pretty spectacular. I mean, all told, she's in excellent shape. You know, lovely green felt inside the lid. Solid as a rock. These things are built like tanks. Full American keyboard with 12 keys along the top line. That was the biggest clue to the trick question of what machine is this in my other video. Types 10 characters to the inch. A nice little pica. And prints extremely well. Feet are in great shape. All the rubber on this thing's in great shape. The platen is nice and supple. Still has a lot of spring, a lot of give. Grips extremely well, as do the feed rollers, which have been cleaned. Let's give her a little type test, because the proof is in the pudding, man. 1960 Aztec 500 by Erika. Serial number 1925531. In lovely green. With the, well, where the hell did I do with it? Built like a tank. Super case. I love the way these things shimmer. Look at that. That's just the nature of the cloth. These things work really well. One of the easiest cases to actually live with that I've ever found on a typewriter. Where was I? Oh yeah, type test. Already did that. Off we go. So on the black setting, yes, the quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Ridiculously clean and crisp. On the red setting, well, now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. If you've never gotten to use an Erika, or an Aztec, as it were, you're kind of missing out. It's one of the smoothest and most solid machines I've ever gotten to use. They print extremely well. The overall fit and finish on these machines is top-notch. I mean, it's East German engineering and manufacture, man. And that was at a point in time when Everything that came out of East Germany was just absolutely horrible or absolutely immaculate. This falls into the latter category for sure. They outdid themselves, really. I, for one, am in love. So there you go. Little Aztec 500. So sweet.